Good morning, children. Good morning, children. Today we are going to start the new chapter, that is company account redemption of debentures. As already we have discussed in our previous chapter what is redemption of debentures in the topic considering the redemption of debenture, the issue of debenture, considering the terms of redemption. We have already discussed the meaning, but again we are going to start the new chapter, so we'll repeat and we'll revise the meaning of the redemption of the debentures. So what is the meaning of redemption of debentures? Redemption of debentures means the repayment of debentures to the debentures holders. Okay, redemption of debenture means the repayment of the amount of debentures to the debenture holders. Okay, in other words, you can say that redemption refers to the discharge of liability on account of debentures by repaying the due amount of debentures. Okay, the terms and condition of redemption are stated in the prospectus which was issued, which is invited in the application for the issue of debentures. The terms for the redemption are also clarified in the prospectus and in the certificate also. The terms of redemption clearly specifies in the certificate of debentures and in the prospectus of debentures also. So simply the meaning of redemption of debenture is the repayment of the amount of debentures to the debenture holders. Okay, now how to repay? What are the sources of finance for the redemption of debentures? Okay, how the amount which is required for the redemption of debentures, how the company will manage? Okay, so the company can manage the amount in the following sources, that is redemption of debentures out of capital, redemption of debentures out of profit, and redemption of debentures out of profit and capital both. Okay, redemption of debentures out of profit and capital both, this topic is reduced in the further reduced syllabus in class 12, so we'll not discuss this. We are going to discuss two methods, that the two sources, that is redemption of debentures out of capital and the redemption of debenture out of profit. So first point is there, redemption of debentures out of capital. When no profit is set aside for the redemption of debentures, when no profit is set aside for the redemption, it is called the redemption of debentures out of capital. In this case, no profit will be transferred to DRR account. DRR is debenture redemption reserve, that we will discuss later on, that what is this debenture redemption reserve. First we should note that in case of redemption out of capital, no profit will be set aside for the redemption of debentures. So in this case, no profits are transfers to debenture redemption reserve account. Okay, there are some guidelines for the requiring creation of debenture redemption reserve. That means that if we talk about that listed company and unlisted company, if listed companies, there are not means listed companies are not required any debenture redemption reserve. Okay, because hence they can redeem all the debentures out of capital. Listed companies are not required to create debenture redemption reserve, hence they can redeem all the debentures out of capital. Okay, and if we talk about unlisted company, they are required to create the debenture redemption reserve account equal to at least 10% of outstanding debentures out of divisible profit. Okay, hence they can redeem 90% of their debentures out of capital. Again, I'm repeating, unlisted companies are required to create the debenture redemption reserve account equal to at least 10% of outstanding debentures out of divisible profit. Profit में से जो पार्ट होता है वो डिबेंचर रिडेम्पशन रिजर्व अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर किया जाता है, दैट इज 10%, तो प्रॉफिट में से, एंड they can redeem 90% of their debentures out of capital. Okay, so this is called redemption out of capital. Again, I'm telling you, when no profit is set aside for the redemption of debenture, it is called debenture redemption out of capital. Okay, in this case, no profits will be transferred to DRR account. Okay, now next topic is redemption of debenture out of profit. Out of profit, debenture redemption out of profit means redemption out of profit than an amount equal to debentures, जैसे 100% of amount of debentures. An amount of equal to debentures is transferred from surplus, मतलब जो हमारा surplus होगा उसमें से issued debentures के equal एक amount ट्रांसफर की जाती है a newly open account that is called DRR, that is debenture redemption reserve account. Okay, it is called redemption out of profit because the transfer of profit to debenture redemption reserve, this reduces the profit. जाहिर सी बात है जो हमारा सरप्लस होगा अगर हम उसमें से रिडेम्पशन कर रहे हैं, अगर हम उसमें से डीआरआर अकाउंट में इशू ऑफ डिबेंचर्स के इक्वल अमाउंट ट्रांसफर कर रहे हैं, ओके, तो हमारा क्या होगा, हमारा प्रॉफिट रिड्यूस हो जाएगा, इट रिड्यूसेस आवर प्रॉफिट. ठीक है, फिर वो अमाउंट जो कि हमें डिविडेंड पे करने के लिए यूज करनी थी वो हम नहीं पे कर पाएंगे, उस अमाउंट को हम यूज नहीं कर पाएंगे. जाहिर सी बात है सरप्लस जब आता है, जब हमारे पास सरप्लस होता है, सरप्लस प्रॉफिट होता है, फिर उसमें से हम पेमेंट्स करते हैं, तो डिविडेंड के पेमेंट के लिए वही एक सोर्स है. तो जब हम उससे पेमेंट कर देंगे, जब हम उस अमाउंट उतनी अमाउंट डीआरआर अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर कर देंगे, तो हमारा जाहिर सी बात है अमाउंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट विल बी रिड्यूस एंड दैट अमाउंट विल नॉट बी यूज फॉर द पेइंग ऑफ डिविडेंड. जो डिविडेंड को पे करने के लिए अवेलेबल थी अब वो नहीं है. ठीक है, तो इट मींस द प्रॉफिट सेट असाइड फॉर डीआरआर, द अमाउंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट अवेलेबल फॉर द डिविडेंड, जो हमने सेट किया था अमाउंट, उसे बोलते हैं डिबेंचर आउट ऑफ प्रॉफिट. ओके, अगेन redemption out of profit that an amount equal to debenture issued will be transferred from surplus to a new account that is called debenture redemption reserve account. Okay, this will reduce the profit because the transfer of profit to debenture redemption reserve reduces the amount of profit available for the dividend. It means that the profit set aside for the DRR is not available for the payment of dividend, but it would be used for the payment for the redemption of debenture, to redeem the debentures. Okay, so thus the existing liquid resources of the company are not affected by the redemption of this manner. Okay, so this is called the redemption of debenture out of profit. Again, I am repeating simply two things, that the redemption of debenture out of capital and redemption of debenture out of profit. If we talk about debenture of redemption out of capital, that means when no profit will set aside for the redemption of debenture, no amount will be transferred for DRR. Okay, no amount will be transferred for DRR. And if we talk about the debenture redemption out of profit, so redemption out of profit means that an amount equal to the debentures that will be transferred to a newly open account from the surplus of a statement of profit and loss account to DRR account. Okay, so this will reduce the profit. So this reduces the profit. It will not be used for the payment of dividend, but it will be used for the redeem for debentures. Okay, so hopefully these things are clear. In the next class, we will discuss what are the methods of redemption of debentures. Okay, and what are the exemptions on the rule of creating DRR? What are the SEBI guidelines for the redemption of debentures? Okay, thank you.